Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? It's Anna, and I've got something incredible to share with you guys today, especially for anyone struggling with that deep, stubborn fat that just won't budge, no matter how hard you try with diets or extensive exercise. If that sounds familiar, I do have good news for you. The answer might be Mitolyn. So Mitolyn has already transformed the lives of thousands of men and women, ranging from ages like 18 to 80. It's specifically designed to target those hard-to-burn fat stores, even in the toughest of cases. Imagine finally being able to liquefy stubborn fat and really kickstart your metabolism in a way that just feels effortless and natural and good for you. If you ever felt frustrated, stuck, or even hopeless when it comes to weight loss, you're actually not alone. So a lot of people have been really trying every single diet trend, going to the gym, only to see little to no change. And that's why I think Mitolyn is such a game changer. This product, it's not just another weight loss gimmick. Mitolyn is a natural proprietary formula made in the USA in an FDA registered and GMP certified facility. That means that it's crafted with state-of-the-art precision engineered machinery under the strictest, most sterile standards. So what's actually in it? Because I know you guys are curious. Only the best, most effective ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola, amla, theobroma cacao, and more. These plant-based powerhouses work together to put your metabolism into high gear naturally, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. So Mitolyn is soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and every ingredient goes through rigorous quality control and inspections to make sure that it has the most purity and potency. And the best part is that Mitolyn offers a completely natural solution to a problem that so many of us face. You guys, no harsh chemicals, no dangerous side effects, just powerful plant-based ingredients designed to help you feel and look your best. And here's something you guys don't want to miss. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means that you can try it absolutely risk-free. If you're not happy with your results for any reason, you can get your money back. All you have to do is contact customer support. Now, this is super important too. If you are ready to give Mitolyn a try, make sure to purchase it from the official website, because that is the only way to guarantee that you're getting the real product, along with the money-back guarantee and access to all the incredible benefits that Mitolyn has to offer. So I have included the link to the official website down below in the description of this video to make it easy for you guys. Don't miss your chance to finally tackle those stubborn fat stores and achieve the results you've been dreaming of. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and here's to healthier, happier you with Mitolyn. Take care.